Oblalotak, Kanuit Busy. Today is Friday, what day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Let's do a quick recap on steps to practice empathy. Our first step is to identify the feeling of the person who's talking to us. If it's your friend or a classmate or your parent or your teacher, if you understand how they are feeling, that's step one. Step two is how would you feel if you were in their situation? Step three is to listen carefully and to listen as if you really care for that person. Step 4 is to not judge. Do not use any judgmental statements. And the next step is show positive support. You can show support by using kind words. You can show support by using empathetic body language, by encouraging them. So these are few steps that you could use to practice empathy. This week we talked a lot about how to practice empathy, the steps to practice empathy, and we learned few skills to practice empathy, right? But is it always easy to practice empathy? Think about it. If you thought or if you said no, then you are right. Empathy is a skill that people develop. It is not always easy to practice empathy. Can you think of some challenges that would make practicing empathy difficult? For example, if I am hungry and all I can think about is food and my lunchtime, it's hard for me to show empathy to somebody else. Or say for example, lack of sleep. If I don't get good sleep, I am tired the next day, I'm exhausted, I feel grumpy, and that makes it harder for me to show empathy towards other people. Think and discuss what are your challenges that comes in between showing empathy to others. Thank you for your time today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today and a great weekend ahead.